Hello, Sophie D'Souza here with a Tuesday top tip. I've had a question about what to make your jigs out of. So what board do you build on? So I do have a couple of thoughts, nothing earth-shattering, but a couple of recommendations and something you shouldn't use. So I do have a place in my workshop where I keep big boards and medium-sized boards and small boards. This is MDF. You can use MDF, probably nothing thinner than 12mm, I'd say, to make your jigs from. You can use ply. Ply is great to make your jigs, but do not use this. This is OSB, and I have quite a lot of it hanging around because it's very strong and very cheap, usually used in the building industry for shuttering, and I've like boxed up my windows for transportation using it. So this is a very thin board, probably about 9mm, but it's very strong. But what I find is it blunts my nails when they go in, which is quite sad. You can unblunt them with a hammer, but yeah, ain't nobody got time for that, as they say. So there you have it, a couple of do's and don'ts for the boards that you build your windows on. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.